What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're looking at a trade I took on EURJPY on May 8th. So we can see, if we go back into the past, that we are in a pretty strong downtrend, but then we start entering, this area of no man's land where price is really never visited before. So to me, that tells me that a lot of people are going to want price to get back out of this area because they have nothing to base their trades off of, because price hasn't really been in this area before. So if we scroll back in, zoom in a little bit, we can see once price dips back into this no man's land where people don't really know what's going to happen because they have no price action in the past to base their trades off of, we can see how price reverses back to the support area. And I entered my trade right here on the structure change, which also ended up being a head and shoulders formation. So we can see we have the left shoulder here, we have the head down here, and we have the right shoulder here. And I entered right here when price retested the neckline of this head and shoulders, which was also for me where price was changing structure. And then once I entered the trade is really when I noticed that this was actually a head and shoulders formation, or excuse me, an inverted head and shoulders formation. So that gave me a really easy way to exit my trade, because this is where this formation started right here. You can see that right there. So wherever these formations start, that's really where I like to exit the trade, because once it reaches this area where it began, it's really fair game for price to do anything after that. But 9 times out of 10, price will usually return to where it starts. And you can see how price did go there, consolidated for a little bit around this area before continuing back up to this 4-hour support area. So very, very simple trade, just an inverted head and shoulders, which I really didn't even know that that's what it was until after I entered the trade. I entered this trade based off of market structure change in the psychology of other traders, because there's really not a lot of information for them to base trades off of. So if they were looking at EURJPY, they would want price to go back up, so they have more bias on where price is going to go. So that's why I thought price was going to go up. Then we saw the structure change. Then afterwards, we realized that this was a head and shoulders, so it gave us a very easy target to exit the trade, because this is where that formation began. So if you guys have any questions over anything that I talked about in this video, please just leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you'd like to watch me take these trades live and see what trades I'm entering throughout the week, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and check out my Instagram stories, and you will see all of the trades as I take them live. And you can either, maybe take the trade for yourself, or just look at the charts and see why I'm taking that trade in real time. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.